Looking for a vehicle that's small, practical, and packs a ton of charm? Meet the Daihatsu Midget 2, a K-Class micro truck that's as quirky as it is functional. Introduced in the mid-1990s, the Midget 2 is a retro-modern successor to the original Midget. Its compact design and toy-like appearance make it a head-turner on the streets. With its single or dual-seat options, this truck is made for navigating narrow urban streets like a pro. Just look at how compact it is. Under the hood, you'll find a small but mighty 660 cubic centimeter engine. Perfect for zipping around town, though don't expect it to be a highway cruiser. The lightweight body keeps it nimble, but it's definitely more about city drives than speed. Despite its size, the Midget 2 offers surprising utility. The truck bed or enclosed rear compartment makes it great for light deliveries, small businesses, or even creative uses like a street vendor setup. It's no wonder enthusiasts love the Midget 2. It's economical, practical for urban tasks, and let's face it, downright adorable. But it's not without its downsides. Limited passenger capacity, not ideal for long distances, and parts can be tricky to find outside Japan. So who's the Daihatsu Midget 2 for? Small business owners, urban explorers, or collectors who appreciate its retro charm. It's a unique blend of style, practicality, and personality. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quirky vehicle reviews. See you next time.